Hello guys, welcome in RR classes. Today we will solve some numerical problem on network theory. So let's start. Network theory basics. Right? So first question is to convert Y network into delta network. Right? So question is one resistor 10 ohm, 20 ohm and 40 ohm. A, B and C. Let this is R1, this is R2, this is R3. So what is the formula? Formula is So if I want to convert this into delta network, that will be like this. This is point A, this is point B, this is point C. So A, B, this is called RAB. This is AC, so it is RAC. This is BC, so it is RBC. So if I want to find out the RAB, multiply R1 R2 and R2 R3 and R3 R1, then add. So it will be R1 R2 plus R2 R3 plus R3 R1, right? Divide by which one? If I want to find out between R and B, so in front of RAB, this is R3. So divide by R3. So if it is divided by R3, it will be RAB. If it is divided by R2, then it will be RAC. And if it is divided by R1, it will be RBC. So as we can find out the value of RAB, RAC and RBC. So let's solve here. So RAB is equal to 10 into 20, 200, 200 into 40, 20 into 40, 800 and 40 into 10 into 400. So 200 plus 800 plus 400 divided by R3, that is 40, is equal to 12 into 1400 divided by 40, that is 35. So it is RBC. RBC is divided by 10. 1400 divided by 10, that is 140. And RAC is 1400 divided by AC means in front of AC, that is R2, 20. So it is 70. So answer is 70, 140 and 35. If in the question it is asked that what is the value of RC. So value of RC means we are finding RAB, that is divided by 40. The value of that is 35. Right? You can find out like that. Question number 2. Question number 2 is to find out the equivalent resistance between two terminals. Question number 2. Equivalent resistance. It is 10 ohm, 3 ohm, 1 ohm, 4 ohm, again 1 ohm, that is 5 ohm, and here this is crossing each other, right? So it is 6 ohm and it is 12 ohm. R equivalent at this point A and B. So solve from this point. 5 and 1, 6 series, that is 6. 6 and 4 is parallel. 6 into 4 divided by 6 plus 4 is equal to 2.4, right? So it is solved as 2.4. till here 2.4. Now it is parallel to 12 ohm and this is parallel to 3 and 6 ohm. This is short, and so 2.4 and 1, that is, sorry, again parallel to 12 ohm. 2.4 into 12 divided by 12 plus 2.4. This will be equal to 14 into 4, 12. Sorry, 12 into 4, 8. Right? 24 and 4, 28. This is 14.4. This is 28.8 divided by 14.4. It will be 2 times, so it is 2. So 2 in series with 1. We can redraw like this: 10 ohm, 3 ohm, and this is 6 ohm. And we have solved till here 1 ohm and 2 ohm. We have solved till here. This total was 2.4 and parallel to 12 ohm, that is 2. 2 and 1, 2 and 1 series 3. 3, 6 parallel and then again parallel 3. So it will be 6, 3, 18 divided by 9, 2. 2 and parallel 3. 2 into 3 divided by 5. So 5, 1, 5 and point, what is that? 10. 2, 1.2. 1.2 in series with 10. 1.2 in series with 10. That is 11.2. Finally, answer is 11.2. You can understand series, then parallel 4 ohm, then again parallel to 12 ohm, right? This will solve to as like 2 ohm. 2 ohm in series with 1 ohm, and then 2 and 1 will be 3 ohm. 2 and 1 will be 3 ohm. We have solved this 3 into 6, this 3 into 6 divided by 3 plus 6. So that was 2 ohm. 2 ohm parallel to 3 ohm. 2 ohm parallel to 3 ohm. That will be 1.2 and series with 10 ohm. Right? So answer is 11.2 ohm. Next, it is question about resistance. What is the value of R if a wire is drawn out to the length double? Question 3. If a resistance of 10 ohm wire is drawn out so that its length L1 will be double of the original length 2L. So what will be the value of resistance? Let that is R1. The value of R1 will be what? So solve. If the wire is drawn out to the extent where the length is double, so area will be what? Area will be divided by 2, half. So formula of R1 is equal to rho L by A. So L1 A1, right? So rho into L1 is 2L divided by A1 is A by 2. So it will be 4 into rho L by A. So rho L by A is original R. R1 is equal to 4R. R1 is equal to 4 into 10. That is 40 ohm. So answer is 40 ohm. R1 is equal to 40 ohm. Simple. Next. If two coils are connected to parallel, right? Question number 4. If two coils are connected to parallel and 200 volt battery is connected to its terminal and total current is 15 ampere, and one of the resistance or one of the coil is dissipating 1500 watt power. So what will be the value of R1 resistance and R2 resistance? Right. One of the coil is delivering the power or dissipating the power of 1500 watt. So we know that the power is dissipating only because of resistance R. So it will be, the power P will be V square by R. What is V? 200 volt square divided by R. We don't know. Let it is R1. But we know the value of power, that is 1500 watt is equal to 400 into 20. R1 will be 20 cancel, 400 divided by 15, that will be the 15 2 30 10 100 6.666 means 7, 26.7 ohm. Right, we have find out the R1. What is the value of R2? So total power V into I, that is 3 15 into 2 30 and 20 means 3000 watt. Is half of the watt is one resistance. The second half of watt is second resistance, R2. So the V square by R is equal to P. P means 1500 watt. Power is same, voltage is same, resistance will be same, 26.7. No need to calculate. Right? Thank you.